Hey, what's up guys, it's me Kevin and I'm back. So if you're looking for an affordable Bluetooth speaker, this one only costs around 1,500 pesos or maybe less, around 1,300 to 1,500. I'll leave a link down in the description down below. So if ever you're looking for a cheap na maganda yung quality, a good quality and affordable speaker, this one I would recommend. I'll tell you why a little later. Let's check out the box first, kung ano yung laman. So hindi, check na natin kung ano yung mga nakalagay dito. So it says na meron siyang IPX7, so it is waterproof. Up to 18 hours of playtime. Meron siyang powerful stereo sound, we'll checking out later. Meron siyang equalizer mode. At meron siyang RGB lights. No? Check natin yung different cycle modes ng RGB. So, checking out the RGB lights later. So, ang included sa box niya is, gusto natin yung box. Inside the box, we will see Type-C cable and manual. This is a carabiner. And your 3.5 audio jack. So, that's about all of the included stuff here in the package. So here is the speaker itself. So it has RGB lights here, has a huge logo Tronsmart here, so it's quite heavy, medyo may kabigatan siya. So 473 grams, almost 500. So it's really durable. It has rubber coating dito sa likod. And it has a rubber flap here, which locates your Type-C port right here. There's an micro SD card slot here, and the audio jack here at the back. This is the subwoofer at the back also. So you can use it while you're in a shower or in the beach. So it's safe to use it outdoors. So it's quite nice. I really like the build quality of this product. It's really high quality for its price. It's heavy, but the most important stuff is how it sounds. So at the top you can see the light indicator here, the volume buttons, the power button, and the play and pause button right here. And you can change the RGB lightings by using the power button right here. Just a quick tap, it will change the RGB lights. It will cycle through several RGB lighting modes, and you can just turn it off the lights to give you more battery life. So before we test the sound quality or sound volume of this product, we will see a quick specification about this speaker. So it has 10 watts of power. It has Bluetooth capability. It has 5.3 Bluetooth. It ranges from 18 meters. So the charging time is around 3 to 4 hours from 0 to 100. And you can use it for about 18 hours. Depends on the lightings you will choose. So if ever you want to make the life longer, you just turn off the RGB lights. So we will test now the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So I will give you an overview of what I hear in my end. So this is about a foot away from the camera. So we will check out the sound quality right now. So here it is. short conclusion, and I'm really impressed by this Tronsmart, the version 2 of Groove, Tronsmart Groove 2. This is a tough and durable speaker. You can take it, nag-hike kayo if you want to hike, you want to travel a lot, if you're traveling a lot, you want a speaker, you can really depend on this speaker. It has splendid design and made for handling harsh environments. So, and of course, the battery life is incredible for its price. And of course, the only lacking here is a customization, an app for your phone to be able to change the sound profile of this speaker. So that's my only gripe about the speaker. It has few and limited customization, but overall it's a great quality speaker. I really recommend this. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I help you decide on whether to buy or not this speaker. But for me, I'm leaning towards to buy because it's cheap, it's great, it has a very powerful sound profile, it's not overbearing, the quality is good for the price. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.